Hello, I'm Matt. Welcome to Badger Workshop. So today I wanted to talk about dust cyclones and dust separators. I have a couple of different sizes and I've been using these for years. So what's the point of these? Well, it's not to increase the suction. In fact, adding more components to your system is only going to reduce it slightly. But what it will do is stop the dust and the chippings going into your extractor or vacuum. This is a 50-litre dust extractor. But this separator is 95 litres, so it really increases the volume. And I can empty this before this fills up. It's particularly useful when using machines like the planer thicknesser, because that can fill up an extractor like this in 5 minutes. And then you've got to take it apart and clean the filter. As if I can stop all the chips getting in there and empty this before it gets to the top, then it saves me having to clean that filter and empty it all out. Now, this machine and separator uses 100mm hoses for the larger machines I have. I didn't go for a cyclone for this because at the time they were extremely expensive. So this is more of a separator, but still I had to get these components from the US. They're available in the UK now, so I'll put a link down to those below. Since then, some cheaper cyclone options have also come out with 100mm ports. Axminster have a couple of options. This metal one, so you can put it on your own bucket or bin, or they do one with a cage and a bag, and I think that's a nice idea because you can actually see when it's filling up. But one of the good things about this not being a cyclone is I can fit it under a workbench. So the other setup I have is this smaller one, and this has the smaller hose with different connectors that work with all the handheld power tools. Now, this is great because this vac has a bag, and if I have a busy week, I can be filling a bag a week, and they're a bit expensive. So a system like this pays for itself in no time, as I've had the same bag in this vac for well over a year now. I've done some videos about this system, so I'll put links down to that below, but I don't use it that much anymore, because since I got the CTS one, I can use the smaller hose on that other one, so it just saves space. So I hope that's helped explain some of the benefits of cyclones and separators. I'll put links down below to all the machines and accessories that I've featured in this video. So thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.